Hello dear students, welcome to this class of BA Part First. I am Dr. S.S. Vedwan, Department of English. And dear students, today we'll discuss another important aspect of the play Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare. And today we'll discuss the play Merchant of Venice as a romantic comedy. So, uh, as you all know, Shakespeare, he wrote all kinds of plays. He wrote tragedies, Hamlet, Othello, Macbeth. He wrote comic plays, as you like it. And he also wrote some tragicomedies. Now, this romantic comedy, The Merchant of Venice, let us discuss it as a romantic comedy. Dear students, as you know, there are various aspects of a play, Merchant of Venice. It has a number of comic elements. It has some tragic elements. It also has some romantic elements, and the romantic elements and the comic elements, they dominate the play. Both these elements, the romantic elements and the comic elements, they dominate this play, The Merchant of Venice. The Casket story, dear students, is a very beautiful example of romance. Although Portia would marry only that man who would choose the right casket, and so it all would depend on her luck. Yet the successful choice was made by Bassanio, and it was a very romantic story. In fact, the romantic elements and the comic elements, they have been mixed together in a very intelligent manner by Shakespeare. The Casket story, as I told you, is a beautiful example, and the in the beginning, when Bassanio wanted to marry Portia because of her wealth, yet his description of her beauty to Antonio shows him as a romantic young man, how he describes the beauty of Portia to his friend Antonio. He compares her and he describes Portia as, I quote, fairer than that world. He compares her to a golden fleece of the ancient mythology. Similarly, Portia is also very romantic. She feels very happy when Bassanio picks up the right casket. She appears as a romantic woman in her complete surrender of her body and soul to Bassanio. But her romantic affair is, but the more romantic affair, dear students, is that of Lorenzo and Jessica. They belong to different religions, and they are, one of them is Christian, Lorenzo, and Jessica is a Jew. They belong to different religions, and yet they love each other deeply. The way they elope from home and come to Belmont is very romantic. The wonderful moonlight scene increases the romantic quality of this love affair. Lorenzo's description of the sweet music on human beings and on animals is very romantic. At the same time, some comic elements in the play include humor presented through wit, irony, satire, and it is Gobbo who makes us laugh a great deal, because he makes us laugh a great deal when he describes the conflict of his mind. He is not able to decide whether he should leave Shylock's service or he should continue with that. It makes us laugh. He considers this conflict to be the one which takes place between his conscience and the devil. The way he befools his old father makes us laugh. He makes some witty remarks when he says that if all the Jews would be turned into Christians, then there would be a great raise in the price of hogs. So, Portia is also a very witty girl. Her comments on the four suitors are very amusing. Similarly, the way she turns the tables on Shylock also makes us laugh. Gratiano is very talkative, and he describes himself as I quote, I am Sir Oracle, and when I open my lips, let no dogs bark. In the trial scene also, we witness him repeating Shylock's words, and thus he produces laughter. The subplot of the ring story is wholly comic. Wives takes rings from their husbands when they are in a disguise, when they are disguised as the lawyer and the clerk, and when they are normal, they demand the rings back. So it also makes us laugh. Even some of the portions of Shylock makes us laugh when he cries for the losses of his ducats, and the way he expresses his happiness at Antonio's loss is very comic. So we can say that this play, The Merchant of Venice, is a romantic comedy. Dear students, I hope you have understood the play. In the next video, we will continue with another topic. Thank you very much.